Class 12th subject mathematics topic tangent and normal lines to the curve continued. So exercise 6.3 we were doing. Today I have taken some more questions from exercise 6.3 which are different. For question number 15 you will see in the exercise is find the equation of tangent line to the curve x square minus 2x plus 7 which is parallel to 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0 and second perpendicular to 5y minus 15x equal to 13. So here in the first part we have y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. So dy upon dx is 2x minus 2. You know it is slope of the tangent, and given line is having slope 2 which is parallel to tangent. So as you know two lines are parallel, m1 equal to m2. So solving 2x minus 2 equal to 2. You will get x equal to 2 and y equal to 7. So point of contact where we have to find tangent is 2, 7. This is indirect question. Here point of contact was not given. For this we have used the condition and got it 2, 7. So equation of tangent is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, or after simplifying y equal to 2x plus 3 is the required equation of tangent. Second part, slope of tangent m1 is 2x minus 2 again. Slope of given line is 3 as they are perpendicular, therefore m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, as you know for perpendicular lines. So 2x minus 2 into 3 equal to minus 1, or 6x minus 6 equal to minus 1. On simplifying, x equal to 5 by 6 and y coordinate at 5 by 6 is 217 upon 36, and hence putting the values in the equation of tangent, y minus 217 upon 36 equal to minus 1 by 3 into x minus 5 by 6, or on simplifying 36y plus 12x minus 227 equal to 0 is the required equation of tangent. Then question number 18, for the curve y equal to 2x cube minus 2x to the power 5, find all the points at which tangent passes through origin. So I have taken here first slope of the tangent dy upon dx as 12x square minus 10x to the power 4, differentiating equation of curve you will get it. Let pxy y1 is the point of contact on the curve, then slope of tangent at x1 y1 is 12x1 minus x1 square minus 10x1 to the power 4, and at this point x1 y1 equation of tangent is y minus y1 equal to 12x1 square minus 10x1 to the power 4 into x minus x1, and condition using it passes through origin 0 0, therefore y1 equal to 12x1 cube minus 10x1 5 you will get, but y1 equal to 4x1 cube minus 2x1 to the power 5 it is given. This is second equation. From first and second you will equate them and you will get 12x1 cube minus 10x1 to the power 5 equal to 4x1 cube minus 2x1 to the power 5, or 8x1 cube minus 8x1 to the power 5 equal to 0. Solving this equation you will get three values of x1, 0, 1 and minus 1. When x1 is 0, y1 is 0. When x1 is 1, y1 is 2. When x1 is minus 1, y1 is minus 2. So points on the curve which we had to find are 0, 0, 1, 2 and minus 1, minus 2. That is the answer. Question number 21 I have taken then. Find the equations of normal to the curve y equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6 which are parallel to x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. So it is indirect question. We have to first find point of contact. So differentiating equation of curve dy upon dx is 3x square plus 2 which is slope of the tangent, but we have to find normal. So slope of normal will be minus 1 upon 3x square plus 2. So normal is parallel to x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore slope of normal and slope of given line will be equal. So equating slope of the tangent minus 1 upon 3x square plus 2 to minus 1 upon 14 you will get x equal to plus minus 2. And when x is 2, y is 18. When x is minus 2, y is minus 6. So we have got point of contact at 2, 18 and minus 2, minus 6. So equations of normal lines are respectively x plus 14y minus 254 equal to 0 and x plus 14y plus 86 equal to 0, and that is your answer. Now I have given some questions for you from the same exercise. First question is find the points on the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0 at which tangent is parallel to x axis. Second is find the equation of normal at am square comma am cube for the curve ay square equal to x cube. Third is so that tangent to the curve y equal to 7x cube plus 11 at x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are parallel. And fourth question, find equation of tangent and normal to the curve x equal to cos t, y equal to sin t at t equal to pi by 4. So do these 4 questions and show me. You are not showing. So I want everybody's answer for these questions.